How to disable fingerprint login in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app on your device and log in securely using your password, passcode, or other login methods. Once you are logged in, tap the More option at the bottom right corner of the home screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your app preferences and security options. Next, find the Fingerprint login or Biometric login section within Settings. Tap on it and then toggle the Fingerprint login option to off to disable fingerprint authentication. This will ensure that you will no longer be able to log in using your fingerprint and will have to use your passcode or other login methods instead. If you want to re-enable fingerprint login later, you can always follow the same steps and toggle it back on. Now you know how to disable fingerprint login in the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.